Welcome to Chandni Chowk Parathe Wali Gali. Located in Old Delhi, it is world famous for its vibrant atmosphere, historical significance, and of course, its delicious shop selling a variety of stuffed parathas. Mano ya na mano, you could smell the parathas everywhere in this lane, from foreigners to Indians. Visitors from every corner of the world come here just to taste these parathas being sold. But what is so special about these parathas? To find this out, we went on the search and also to give you that taste of the parathas. As we entered the Paranthe Wali Gali, we could see a wide range of paratha flavors, ranging from the classic potato and onion filling to more exotic options like the paneer, mixed vegetables, or even sweet fillings like the banana or rabdi. Yes, you heard that right. But we ordered the recommended meathi stuffed mixed paratha. And here began the journey of tasting these world famous parathas. So सबसे पहले the prep began of the paratha, which would answer a bit of my question कि यार ये इतना famous क्यों है? The halwai, sitting in the quaint corner of the shop where the live paratha setup is there, began filling the mixed vegetables into the dough. And then the rolling out of the parathas began. Well, everything looks similar to here with the parathas we make at home. But hold on, क्योंकि यहाँ twist की शुरुआत होती है. Instead of putting the paratha on the tawa to cook it, the parathas went straight into the kadhai full of desi ghee. So this was the secret. The parathas sold in Chandni Chowk's Paranthe Wali Gali are actually not baked on the tawa, but deep fried in hot ghee, which actually enhances the flavor of the paratha. While the person making the paratha made sure कि वो crisp और golden brown हो जाए. And hold, the process did not end here. On the side, our plate was getting ready with different types of vegetables like aloo ki sabzi, kaddu, meethe wali sabzi with a side of green and sweet chutney and also some achar. अब पराठा बनते हुए देख करके मुंह में तो पानी आ गया था and finally the time came when I was ready to taste test. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My question was answered upon the hype of these parathas. They were simply crispy, full of Indian flavors, and the sides served with the parathas made the taste even better. Also, the steal price at which the entire plate of food was served was simply just a steal deal. वाह भाई वाह, पराठा खा करके मजा ही आ गया. पेट तो भर गया लेकिन मन बिल्कुल भी नहीं भरा. While beyond the delicious food, visiting Paranthe Wali Gali offers a glimpse into the rich culinary heritage of Delhi and the bustling energy of Chandni Chowk. It's a must visit destination for food enthusiasts exploring the capital city's street food scene. Well, आपको चांदनी चौक के पराठे कैसे लगे हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएगा. ऐसे ही और चांदनी चौक की फूड वीडियोस देखने के लिए ट्रेंड्स 9 को सब्सक्राइब करिए और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलेगा और लाइक बटन को जरूर हिट करिए.